Hey guys! Today we're diving into the mysterious and powerful Magik. So Magik is a versatile hero in Marvel Rivals. She's a mix of offense and support, with abilities that can control the battlefield and deal significant damage. Her playstyle is all about strategy, teleportation, and building momentum. Now for her basic attacks. Her left click is a sword swing that deals a significant amount of damage. Magik's right click is a long range attack. It's a projectile that hits an enemy from far away. You can actually charge your right click to deal more damage.
Enemy ahead of us.
That's the damage when it's uncharged. And this is the damage when it's charged. Magik's passive is that she gains bonus HP when she deals damage to an enemy. Regardless of what kind of attack, as long as she deals damage. So as you can see here, you can see the blue bar underneath the screen. It generates a maximum of 150 HP.
Enemy ahead of us. This war is bigger than one life.
So now let's talk about the rest of her kit. Her first skill is a dash. When that dash hits the opponent, they get launched up in the air. So the range of this dash is pretty long. And automatically launches an opponent when you hit them.
I got you! This war is bigger than one life.
So the dash can be used for many things depending on the situation. You can engage fights with it. Or you can even escape fights with it.
Charge!
Something to note about Magik's first skill.
Got you!
When enemies are clumped up together,
This soul feeds.
they can be launched together too. So you can knock up more than one opponent. So the next skill is Magik's Teleportation.
Come, my minion!
So Magik teleports a distance, a linear distance. And afterwards she gets two options, as you can see on the screen. So after teleporting, you'll either want to press left click for this tornado swing, or you can summon a demon.
Go have fun! You have to feed them sometimes. Enemy ahead of us!
So the left click after teleportation deals a decent amount of damage. A bit less than her left click for sure, but hits a big range.
Did I break your spirit?
Can it hit the back part? Yeah, it hits around Magik and not just the front part. Her right click summons a demon that attacks where you place the demon depending on your cursor.
Hostiles coming in. Go have fun! That's why they call me Magik.
So I use this skill a lot when I reach choke points or corners. So I'd usually like jump here, teleport here, and if there's an enemy coming towards me from this side, I use the right
Come,
click.
my minion!
The right click generates quite a lot of shield as well.
Come, my minion!
So
You
I
like
like
my
using
little
that.
pet?
Now something to note here is that if you summon one demon,
Go have fun! Straight to your
you
soul!
can't summon another one. So when you summon one demon, the other demon disappears. So a good part of your kit, if you're spamming her TPs, you can activate the
Come,
demon
my minion! Good
and use
little
her left
demon.
click. So something people should know about her TP is that she's invulnerable when teleporting.
feed them.
So now that we're done tackling all of Magik's skills, let's talk about her
Hostiles
ulti.
coming in fast.
So her ulti,
Dark Child!
she transforms into Dark Child. This is Magik's demon form. In this form, she deals so much more damage. All of Magik's
This
skills
war
are
is bigger than
amplified
one
and they
life.
have changes too. So let's run through them. So during her demon form, her auto attacks procs 3 times. And that almost one-shot squishies. 2 hits.
Child!
Her knockup becomes a slash. I'm not sure how much damage that deals.
Got you!
That deals half HP.
Child!
Her teleportation also does AoE damage. That procs 3 times.
Limbo! You let Dark Child out to
And her demon
play.
deals more damage as well.
Dark Child! Go have fun!
So a pro tip for Magik's ulti is that it resets all of her cooldowns.
Lift them! Go have fun! Dark Child! Come, my man!
So now that we've run through all of that, let's talk about Magik's basic combos. So Magik's basic combos comes from a lot of animation cancels. So as mentioned earlier, there's the left click melee.
This war is bigger than
So if you
one
guys didn't
life.
understand that, it's basically just left clicking.
Hostiles coming in fast!
And before it hits, you click the melee button. Next combo is the dash into left click and then melee.
So that's it!
And then extension for that is you right click right after the melee to cancel it also.
Lift them!
That is Magik's one-shot combo. So you're gonna want to practice that combo a lot because you'll be using that in fights to take down squishies. So let's do it again. Let's dash. We're gonna left click, cancel the left click, and then right click. Let's do it again. So a lot of the time, you're really gonna want to learn or make a habit of canceling her left click with a
Hostiles
melee
coming in fast!
because you can combo it with anything.
You fly! One
That's
more
how you
for the soul
maximize
sword.
her damage output.
From limbo!
Now during Magik's ulti, she loses the ability to slap in a melee attack. So all you gotta do is left click and then cancel with right click. And then you can go ham from there.
Child!
So that's what her combo is gonna look like.
Survive this!
And you can slap in other variants as well.
Child!
So that was it for Magik, our hot.
I got you! Hostiles coming in fast!
So that was it for Magik. She's a very strong and versatile hero that can come in for the fight, launch a lot of area of effect damage, and just clean up the opponents with her ulti. We hope you learned something today, and hope for the next guide. We hope you learned something today. See you in the next guide.